A drop in the bucket is a phrase that means a very small amount compared to what is needed or expected. It is often used to describe something that is insignificant or not enough to make a difference. For example, if someone is trying to raise $10,000 for a charity and they only have $100 so far, they might say that the $100 is just a drop in the bucket compared to what they need. Another example could be, if a person is trying to lose 50 pounds and they have only lost 2 pounds so far, they might say that the 2 pounds is just a drop in the bucket compared to their overall goal. The origin of this idiom comes from the idea of a bucket being filled with water. If you only add a drop of water to the bucket, it will not make much of a difference in the overall amount of water in the bucket. This concept has been used metaphorically to describe small amounts of things compared to larger amounts. Overall, the idiom "drop in the bucket" is a way to express that something is not enough or significant in comparison to what is needed or expected.